कितना बोल सकता हूँ, ओके। क्योंकि ये भी ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। Today we are delivering the pravachan on Guru Gita, discourse on Gita, Adhyay 3 or 40 number shloka. That is the Indriyani hi manobuddhis स्याधिष्ठानमुच्यते एते विमोहयत्येषः ज्ञानमावृत्य देहिनम्। इंद्रियाणि हि मनः बुद्धि अस्य अधिष्ठानम् उच्यते एते विमोहयति एषा ज्ञानम् आवृत्य देहिनम्। इंद्रियाणि means the senses, mana means mind, buddhi means intellect. These are all. Asya means his, adhishthanam, it means the habitat, and uchyate means we telling dislike, and esha it means this. Kama means the desire. Kama is a big word. Everything you want to achieve, you want desire that kama. Ete means your these mind, intellect, your senses. Ana? Jnanam.
Yeah.
Jnanam means knowledge. Avratam means covered. Dehanam means the ignore identity of your living. Vimohanti, it means the illusion. Vimohan matlab you are mesmerized. Vimohit means you are mesmerized. That is the short meaning. The senses, mind and intellect, these are the place there the desires, the kama is living, and this kama is working by the mind, intellect and senses. And what the result? The kama covered your consciousness, the kama covered your divine knowledge, the kama covered your divine light. So, the living being hypnotized by this kama. The master of universe, Sadguru, Lord Krishna, he is the owner of the unlimited number of galaxies. He is the greatest and greatest God of the world. He is the ocean of mercy, come on the earth for all the lovers of God, and he is saying to Arjuna is only a medium to give the knowledge for all lovers. So the Lord Krishna saying about the kama, it means the desire. That the desire comes from a forceful presence in your inside. That is called the technical word kama. Please remember this word. This is technical word kama. The kama is your regular enemy. Kama is not occasional enemy. Kama is your regular enemy. He lives in the different places in you. So Lord Krishna describing the places of kama to Arjuna, Lord Krishna is saying that kama living in your senses, kama living in your mind, kama living in your intellect. I want to say again and again, this is the technical word kama. Kama is the main source of all desires. So, the kama is not any macro thing. Kama is not any idol. Kama has not body. Kama, you cannot see the kama. So the kama is very micro. Only you can feel it. You do not touch it. Kama is not hardware. Kama is a software in you. So the kama is hidden in you. He never come in front. He do his work by the senses, by the mind, by the mood and by the intellect. And the kama destroy your life because he takes your energy and he put this energy in evil work and wrong things. Kama put your energy in quarrels. Kama put your energy in sex. Kama put your energy in jealousy. Kama put your energy in violence. Kama put your energy in tension. And this is the most favorable game of kama. He is very, very clever player. You can see the eyes of a sexual person. The eyes of sexual person, you can know that the eyes color and the way of seeing is quite different. A sexual person and a calm and cool person, the both eyes is quite different and way of seeing is quite different. When kama comes in your eyes, he want possessiveness, he want see everything, he want anything he want. The eyes, by the eyes you can see, and you can when the kama comes in the tongue, you want to eat many things, many dishes, food, and when the kama comes in your tongue, then you tell artificially, impress the other person, and you want to fulfill all of your desires, and you want to make other person be fool by your polite dialect or by your artificial way of talking. So you know, in the many countries and many cities, they are the vocational training centers also. How to talk, how to deliver a speech, how to emphasize. So this is the mode of kama, mode of fulfill your desire. Now when the kama comes in your ear, you want to hear a music, loud music you want to hear. You want to hear rock music, you want to hear the classical music, you want to hear flute, you want to hear guitar. So this is one type of kama comes in your ear. When the kama comes in your nose, you want to smell the deo, the scent, the perfumes, even the bad smelling things some person like by smell by his or her nose. So the kama comes in the nose. When the kama comes in the skin, you want touch different type of experience of your touching. The soft touching, the hard touching, and the painful touching, and many things. So this is your day-to-day experience you can see in your life. When the kama comes in your sexual organs, then that time your sex desire comes very high. You want many sex partners in your life. You never satisfy with one partner because the kama is controlling you, and kama is doing this evil, and you are only medium. The kama is only using your body. So when the kama comes in the hands, so you want to do the best skill working, or you want to clap anyone, and you want to do some services, and you want to do many works by your hands, because kama is coming in your hands and the kama is coming in your feet. At that time you want to go for tourism, for pilgrims, and you want to see the temples and churches and the holy places. That is, the kama is coming on your feet. Then you climb on the mountains and you go in the deep ocean. That is, this is your desire, different type of desire of your feet. And when the kama comes in your mind, in India, in the Hindu mythology, man is the mind. Man. This is the second technical word, man. I want to teach you some technical word. One word is antahkaran. Antahkaran means internal senses. The first sector of the antahkaran is your mana, and second sector of your antahkaran is your buddhi or intellect, and third sector of your antahkaran is your chitta. Some person says mood, and the last sector of your antahkaran, that is your ego, your ego. So the mana, the mind, intellect, and mood and ego, this is the four chamber of your antahkaran. So when kama comes to your man, he takes your energy, and then he control your mind. He control your all the thoughts. The storm of thoughts coming like a thunder, like the round air moving. I don't know that word. So a very big storm of the thoughts comes in your mind, and you never think the right direction. When the thoughts govern you, you goes in that direction. It may be wrong or right. So the next place, the living of this kama, is your mana, is your mind. The mind makes by the thoughts, and the thoughts govern your senses, and this way your mana, your mind govern your senses. When the kama comes your intellect, I think the intellect is the wife of your mind. The intellect, suppose I am giving the example that intellect is the wife of your mind. So the mind and intellect, both are befalling you, both are making you your slave. So the continuous unpleasant condition, the continuous tension, the continuous excitement, the continuous vibration in your mind, and continuously the mutability, the movability of your thoughts, they are comes and goes in your mind, and you are absolutely caught in the illusions. Your mind is not able to take any firm decision. You are absolutely in illusion. That is your mana, your buddhi. Both are the husband wife. The buddhi, your buddhi, it means your intellect, and your mana, they are both are clever, they are cunning, they are greedy, they are sexy, they are angry persons, they are criminals. This is the type of your mind and your intellect. Because you are not enlightenment, enlightened person. So the kama is a friend of your mind and intellect. The mind, intellect and kama, three person make a strong illusion around you, and you caught every time, and you do unwanted things, and you do not know what you do or what you not do, but what must be do or what not must be do. So the kama excite your mind and your intellect, and take the playing, his playing and his own tricks, may use on tricks on mana and intellect and mind or intellect. So your life is not peaceful and you are not aware. Your awareness totally destroy. And the thousand of your birth, thousand of your lives, this type kama and your mana and your intellect, your buddhi, these three person snatch your own identity and give you the anesthesia of different type of tensions, the different type of worries, the different type of unpleasant conditions. So the Indian mythology says this is the condition of jiva. Jiva, it means ignore person, ignore in awareness, innocent in awareness, innocent in enlightenment, innocent in being, internal being of the God. So this is the condition is called jiva. Also the story of the jiva is very bad and very long, and we can describe many hours, but the story will not finish. So the master says to the Arjuna, my dear Arjun, the many person do not know, the 90% person do not know about this antakarana, mana, buddhi, chitta, ahankara, mind, intellect, mood and ego. If 90% persons do not know, they are like blind, because in this world some blind masters are moving and befooling the disciple for money, the befooling disciple for the treasure, and they achieve the treasure and make big ashrams and live like a rich person, because they have the fools, enough number of fools, they give them money. So they are distributing the wrong knowledge to the disciples. So the 90% person do not know about antakarana, as the cloth made by threads, as the pot made by clay, as the ice made by the water, as your senses, your mind, your intellect, all made by this kama. Because the kama is ignorance, the kama is illusion, the kama is your unknowing yourself, your blindness about your divinity. So when the kama comes in your intellect, he stolen your intellect, the kama kidnap your intellect and control on your intellect, and the give work to your intellect how to achieve his desires. You are doing the service of kama, not doing the service of God. So the kama make a very big storm in your mind. That is the sexiness, that is the desires, that is the many bad things. So the kama makes the picture like a film in your mind. The kama make a hurry, make a tensionful condition like a child. He want the toy. As your kama want the woman, the kama want the man, the kama want the house, the kama want the car. So, when the kama comes in your senses, then you can change the senses, the character of senses change, your eyes come in the color of red, your ears become full of blood and come in the color of red, your whole body feel the sensation of kama, the vibration of kama, and you feel an unpleasant condition, and you feel you feel that you are the control in another hands. If when you are achieving any kama's desire, if any person come and disturb in the desire, the kama convert quickly in the fraction of 1/1000 second. Kama convert in the anger, the blast of anger, very blastful condition of anger, and you can do anything. You can murder, you can killing, you can anything in your anger. You can destroy the other person. You can give any harm. That is the transformation of kama into the krodha, into the anger. So, your divine knowledge, your real identity, your real presence of inner side of your God, covered by the kama of the life and thousand of your birth. If you want to aware in the real divinity, if you want to aware in real peace, if you want to aware in real love, if you want to live the real nice life, you should be detached from this kama, and only Master can help you. Nobody can help you. Only Master can help you by his meditation techniques. When you meditate, you can aware, you can see your intellect, you can see your mind, you can see your intelligence, you can see your ego, you can see your senses. When the bad thing is coming in your mind, you already see, oh, bad thing is coming. You can separate, you can detach, you can like this, the snake is coming, and you know this snake can bite you. You ran away from the snake. Snake cannot bite you. So when you do the meditation of awareness, then you can save yourself by the tricks of the kama. And now you are living in the dark cave. You are living in a dark tunnel of the kama. There is no light, there is no way, there is no path to save you. Only Master can save you. So you should call the Master by whole heart. The God will help you and send you a Master to come out from this illusion, to come out from this anesthesia, to come out this unaware condition. Then the Master will help you. You become an enlightened person, Atma Sakshatkar. Then you never born and never die. And when you live in the Atma Sakshatkar,